The difference between a good stylist and a great one is practice. And Helen is built for exactly that. Color it. Style it again and again. This is Helen, your canvas for mastering hair. From the moment you touch the hair, you'll notice the difference. Helen's hair moves, sections, and responds just like real hair. Perfect for cutting practice, Helen allows you to work on precision techniques like layering, shaping, and fringe work with confidence. Whether you're creating smooth blowouts or defined curls, the hair holds its shape while maintaining natural movement and shine. From classic braids to structured updos, Helen is built for styling versatility, making it easy to practice both everyday looks and advanced designs. Helen is also ideal for color training. Practice sectioning, foiling, and color placement to refine your technique and improve consistency. With each transformation, Helen becomes the perfect mannequin for building muscle memory and mastering new skills. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional stylist, Helen is the mannequin you can rely on. Practice smarter, style better. Grow your craft with Helen.